Hello everyone, this is Vivian from Hoston Machine Tools. Today, I will introduce to you a 10 milling compound turret lathe, CK46DY8. The integral cast iron base has very good rigidity, and this machine adopts the 30-degree slant bed, which is easy to operate and convenient for the discharge of iron chips, and also workpiece loading and unloading. It has 8-station hydraulic servo turret and adopts 4+4 power head with Y-axis. The dual motors of this machine control 4 power head for face milling and 4 power head for side milling respectively. The CNC controller is from Taiwan Syntec 22TB with 10-inch screen, which can control 6 axes. The ultra-quiet, high rigidity, and the precise roller guide is from Japan THK, and the spinner is from Taiwan Canton. How do you think about such a small, precise, and cost-effective 10 milling lathe?